Jumpers away. Here they come. Free falling now. The first two jumpers out. Now these guys are flying wingsuits. They actually, it's like Rocky the Flying Squirrel. They can actually get some incredible forward speed as they spiraling down. The upper jumper can really increase his speed tremendously. The Golden Knights earlier were doing accuracy jumps. 2 passes. We'll have another jumper or 2 out on the next pass. Just a few minutes away. Red Bull gives you wings. And I want to let you know that there is going to be a Red Bull air race right around New York coming up later this summer. Now let's watch these guys as they maneuver toward the target. Let's make some noise. They can hear you up there. Come on, New York, make some noise. That's better. Hooking down. Look at this. Whoa! Jumper 1 is down. How about that? Now having released the wingsuit with a great hook turn. Look at that. Whoa, yeah. How about a nice round of applause for the first 2 Red Bull jumpers? Yeah, baby. Now my guess is, and maybe you guys can help me on this, your square footage on those chutes somewhere around 100 square feet. Very fast, about 40 miles an hour forward speed. 50. Yeah, 60. Fast enough that cool stuff, you guys. Very cool. We got 2 jumpers out. Spiraling down. Look at that. That is dizzying, but I can tell you from experience that when you jump out of an airplane, whether it be at 5,000 feet or 12,500 feet or even higher, it's one of the most incredible experiences to be able to see more than you've ever seen of the world in your life. Forget airliners. You get a little hole to look out of. When you jump out of an airplane and there's nothing around you except for the parachute, you can see for miles and miles and miles. Nice job, guys. This is the extreme way to do it. Red Bull giving you wings. Yeah, baby. For the Red Bull Air Force.